Hello guys and welcome back to your favorite channel, AMP Kingdom, for your daily dose of crypto. Today we are back with yet another informative video on cryptocurrency and how they are doing currently in the market. For all the curious Joes out there, this is the ultimate place to be with accurate stock market updates on your screens. Before moving further, do note that this is in no way financial, trading, or investment advice. The market is a very volatile place, and by the time you watch this video, the price might have dropped or risen a significant amount. So you are suggested to conduct your own due diligence and consult a financial advisor before investing. Do not treat this video as for any sort of advice and only consume it for educational purposes. Well, that being said, let's get into it. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies in the market right now. The market reached its all-time high during the March-April bull run in 2021. After witnessing a steep decline in the prices, most people seem to despise the nature of crypto, yet the market keeps its hope high and promises good returns. Today we're back on the topic of AMP. For those of you who don't know what AMP is, check out our previous videos. But in simple terms, AMP is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency that is usually used as collateral for making secure transactions and decentralizes the risk of asset transfer. It focuses on connecting the Ethereum blockchain to payments in the real world. AMP was created by shipper installment network Flexa and Ethereum blockchain programming organization ConsenSys. The token was dispatched in September 2020, supplanting its archetype Flexacoin, with the point of likewise being utilized by projects other than Flexa. Flexa is intended to work with dealers to acknowledge advanced resources as installments. It offers local reconciliation with existing retail location, POS frameworks, and online digital stages to empower traders to acknowledge advanced installments while offering clients a common checkout experience. AMP is the insurance that empowers moment installments on Flexa. Starting on 7th June, clients all throughout the planet had marked more than $1.2 billion in AMP to back Flexa installments. AMP is right now utilized as insurance for in excess of 25 computerized resources. Financial backers in AMP incorporate U.S. digital currency reserve Pantera Capital. In February, AMP was recorded on Cream Money, permitting holders to procure revenue by marking the token. In April, the Cream local area supported the utilization of AMP as a guarantee for credits of up to 45% of its worth. But moving towards the main topic of the day, AMP collateral tokens are on the rise, amidst the rumor of its value fluctuating. It sounds very odd, right? We have two big updates waiting for you. These updates can prove to be game changers in the long run. But hang in there, continue watching the video to know the details. In a short frame of time, AMP is one such crypto that was able to grab significant attention to itself. Current prices? As per today's market, AMP is currently trading at $0.055, which is clearly about 5 cents. It doesn't require a professional to interpret that the AMP value is dropping. For the record, the reason for this possibility are innumerable. But the most prime reason of all is that if we take an actual look at the market, we see a 5.37% decrease overall throughout the entire cryptoverse. Unfortunately, AMP isn't out of the league. It is in the middle of the struggle, so about a 0.93% decrease is decent, but it could have been much worse. In a few minutes, we will be explaining to you why AMP is standing out better than some old coins and where we could see AMP in the upcoming future, with the bull market part 2 coming. Latest updates about AMP. So a lot of us have been kind of discussing where we could see the market going in the upcoming weeks and months ahead. And we do see the market struggle to continue in this manipulation flood or accumulation stage. But AMP itself could have had an outburst at some point in working. A 31.42% increase in AMP in the last month is still a drastic increase and making a lot of profit for a lot of people. And let us jump into some of the biggest news sources that have been talking about AMP recently. It is one of those big updates that talks about announcing a new market pair for the AMP, ETH and AMP, and USDT and AMP on globalbittrex.com. You can actually take advantage of this, so definitely a big deal. Continuing to get more accessibility, AMP token is going to continue to grab more retail investors and obviously institutional investor awareness. Considering these two important news highlights, we can expect humongous utility from AMP in the bull market. We can also certainly root for AMP. And compare it to the other coins, we can see how many coins actually provide you with the facilities of security while sending the coins. So if you have invested in AMP, then you are probably very lucky, because AMP provides you security during transactions and while sending coins. Well, this could be one more reason why AMP would increase in the future. And recently, we can see there is a kind of hope in the AMP. We can say this by looking at AMP's Twitter account. As of now, it is on Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, and Bitmart Exchange. These are leading platforms out there. So there may be a rise in AMP in the future. No certain assumptions can be made considering the fact that the market is at a very volatile conjecture and the pandemic situation may and may not affect the cryptoverse at any time soon. But considering the facts from past and present, we can make round-off assumptions to predict the price of AMP. With this, we can get a pretty good idea of how it is doing and what we can expect from it in the impending future. AMP price predictions 2021 to 2023. The burning questions are, will the price reach new highs? However, it should be noted that when it comes to crypto, price predictions tend to be very difficult. And this holds to be especially true when considering less known coins like the AMP. Luckily we can see that many crypto experts as well as websites have shared their predictions for AMP pricing. The short-term forecast for the AMP token is bullish. According to CoinCodex, with the token trading around its all-time high of 9 cents, it is supported by 8 cents and resistance up to 11 cents. The longer-term AMP forecast from Digital Coin predicts that the price will climb further to average 14 cents in 2021, 16 cents in 2022, and 20 cents in 2023. Queensgate predicts that the end price will be an average of 11 cents in July and slip back to 8 cents in November and an average of 9 cents in December 2021. Looking ahead, its predictions, the price will rise to an average of 14 cents in December 2022 and to an average of 28 cents in December 2023. AMP coin price prediction for 2024 to 2025 could be near about 23 cents. CoinSkid is more bullish, predicting that the end price will climb to an average of 58 cents in December 2024 and reach 90 cents in September 2025. By summing up everything so far and by looking forward the graphs of the AMP coin, this coin has come from nowhere to a much better place. So we guess that this coin has a scope to increase a lot in the future. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Make sure to like, share, and comment if you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe for a daily update on the channel.